Also, one thing I forgot to show you guys was that when you do a file export to get your JPEG, you can click this little button, say Use or Artboards, and then export that out. And I'm just going to replace my other file, because if we actually go in here and look at this JPEG that I did earlier, you can see that it actually got that side image here, this side graphic, which I don't really want. It's not actually on my canvas, or my artboard is what they call it in, sorry, I have all these open. So it actually included this in the export, which I didn't want. I just want my, basically my white artboard. So if you do that, let me show you again, File, Export, Export As, and then Use Artboards, Export, CMYK, maximum high. Then once I do that, that's actually going to work out a lot better for us, because it will just only export out what we are wanting. The PDF, I didn't have any issues with that needing to be exporting out only the artboard, but the JPEG, you might have some issues with it if you have anything outside of your artboard area, unless you check that little box while you're exporting.